from the Pioneer 2015 channel. So today we have the interview with a foreigners come from Canada. She's gonna share us her opinions about reducing tax on tourist cars. So let's go. I just want to ask, can you give me your opinion about reducing tax on tourist cars?
Yeah, sure. I think that the car taxes should be lowered because I think that for tourists when they come here, it can be quite expensive traveling in the car. So if they lower the car taxes, then it will become cheaper for tourists to travel, and also will probably lower the rate of accidents because if there are more cars, it will probably make it a little bit safer on the road and less motorcycle accidents.
Tell me about the disadvantages of reducing the import tariff on tourist cars. Hi everybody, as I know that if we allow important numbers of traveling cars, I think it would have the more impact on the infrastructure.
As we know, the system of traffic infrastructure in Vietnam is small scale, almost no technical standards, and it failed to create the continuous connection from highway to highway. According to an independent evaluation of the World Economic Forum in 2012, Vietnam has ranked 111 among the countries in the world for the quality transport infrastructure, behind most of the countries in the region. With this weak point, we can see that increasingly imported traveling cars would lead to several bottlenecks. It could lead to the congestion every day. In such a big city such as Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City, follow the roadmap commitments of the Free Trade Agreement FTA. Import duties on the goods that we are committed are coming to be eliminated completely. Therefore, the reduction of import tariff would influence significantly on the domestic manufacturing industry, including motorbike industry, which are not eligible to compete with imports from these countries. Import tax reduction is tremendous pressure for domestic motorbike industry to survive. Local manufacturing enterprises have to be alive even in domestic market. One more disadvantage is that in Vietnam, we normally import traveling cars from foreign countries such as Korea, China, Thailand. Those are Asian countries, and those importing traveling cars are over 5 years usage, and the quality is not guaranteed. There will be more accidents, and this will lead to bad consequences. And all of it are disadvantages about cutting tariff.
There seem to be a lot of disadvantages. So, what are the solutions for all of this? Let's hear our Ministry of Transportation talk about it. Reporter from the Pioneer 2015. So today we're gonna have a small interview with the Ministry of Transportation with the Allok.
Hi, Miss Lim. Hi, everybody. Now that you can easily recognize in these cities, there's too much traffic congestion. In some cities in this country, they are trying to manage the flow by improving the infrastructure and instructing about the overpass system in order to reduce traffic congestion. Besides that, I think the most important thing is value-added tax. These things should be reduced by the government. This is gonna lead to the protection of domestic traveling cars companies. And this is some kind of motivations that motivate Vietnamese person to buy Vietnamese car.
Yes, so do you think those solutions go far?
I think these solutions don't go far enough. No, with, we should think about alternative modes of transport such as walking, cycling, or high quality public transit. And you know, most of transportation in Vietnam are now it's really bad conditions. They are most imported from other countries such as Korean, Malaysia, Thailand, and so on. These are really bad because when you import this car must be over 5 years qualities, and this could lead to the unavoidable accident and put a big bad effect on the tourism.